In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect payments to the Quotes tool in Hubspot. We'll guide you through the entire process step by step, ensuring you're ready to get your payment system integrated seamlessly. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Hubspot website, navigate to your browser and type in the Hubspot homepage URL, or simply search for it in your preferred search engine. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to access your account. After logging in, you will be directed to your Hubspot home. From here, our next destination is the Commerce section. You'll find this option available in the menu, so go ahead and click on it. Within the Commerce section, you should see the Quotes option. Select it and let's move on to the next stage. Now in the Quotes section, you are going to create a new quote. Look for the Create Quote button and give it a click. This action should lead you to a place where you can create a new deal. Find and click Create a New Deal, as this is essential for setting up your quote correctly. Once you have initiated the creation of a new deal, you'll come across another Create button. Click on it to continue. At this point, you'll be prompted to move forward with the process through a series of Next buttons. You'll click Next several times as you proceed, ensuring that you're filling out any necessary information or confirming details as you go. Eventually, you will arrive at the step where you can add custom items to your quote. Look for the Create Custom Line Item option and click on it. This is where you can add unique products or services that your clients might need. Once you've set everything up, ensure your custom items are saved by clicking Save on the screen. Following this, find the Next button one more time and click it to nearly finalize the setup. We're now moving towards the final stage, setting up online payments. In the Quotes tool, there will be a clear option to set up online payments. Select this to bring the payment integration feature into play. Each of these steps is designed to make sure your payment process runs smoothly and efficiently. If at any point you feel lost, remember that HubSpot's support is an excellent resource. Also, revisiting the steps or pausing the video as needed can be very helpful. Once everything is set up, your Quotes tool will be all set to handle payments, streamlining your workflow and enhancing client experiences. That wraps up our tutorial on connecting payments to the Quotes tool in HubSpot. Thanks for watching.